And last but not the least, yung VUL or yung Variable Universal Life Insurance. Ang VUL or ang Variable Universal Life Insurance, ito yung tinatawag nating insurance with investments, no, na may nakalink siyang investments, but not the other way around. Hindi to investment na may free insurance. Tandaan nyo ha, hindi ganon. Hindi baliktad. Insurance product talaga ito. Meron lang siyang feature na investment part. I-quote ko na si Miss Pretty Financial ng Sun Life. Anyway, from Sun Life din naman ako. Well, ang sabi niya, VUL is like a value meal of insurance. Bakit? Because it has a little bit of everything. Meron tayong una, mainly the insurance, yung coverage natin na pinakamahalaga. Pangalawa, meron tong investment, no? Dahil part of our payment goes uh, to stocks, no? So, nag-earn. Posibleng may earnings tayo dyan. Pangatlo, nakakabitan to ng maraming riders. Ibig sabihin, marami tayong benefits na pwedeng makuha dito. But of course, for as long as kung meron tayong mga benefit na nilalagay dito, of course, added premiums din naman siya. Pero, at least, meron tayong makukuha. No? Halimbawa, critical illness benefit, makakapag-add din tayo ng hospital income benefit. Yun ay parang, for example, 2,000, 3,000 per day na pwede nating makuha for a minimum of 3 days confinement. Pero walang minimum yun kapag through accident, okay? And then, ano pa, meron din to accidental death benefit, meron din tong total disability benefit or waiver of premium. So, yun. So marami talagang klase ng insurance, no? Iba-iba ng features, iba-iba ng benefits, no? Hindi talaga natin makukuha lahat ng mga nabanggit kong benefits sa iisang product lang. So if you want to know more kung ano yung kung wala ka pang insurance at nagbabala ka na kumuha nito, you talk to your trusted financial advisor at yun, magaguide ka nila, magaguide ka namin on how you should start your insurance. Paano ba? Kasi hindi naman yan basta i-offer ko sa'yo VUL kasi wala ka pang insurance. VUL agad. It's not that. Depende yun sa kung ano yung life goal mo, ano ba yung priority mo sa ngayon, magkano din mo, especially yung budget mo. Mamaya offeran kita ng traditional, di mo naman pala kaya. Or mamaya offeran kita ng VUL, gusto mo pala guaranteed. Guaranteed yung return. So, yun nga, iba-iba. So, it's better to talk to your trusted financial advisor para maging maayos yung pagkuha niyo ng insurance, no? So, that's all for now, no? Na-discuss na natin yung 3 kinds of insurance. So, I hope you get something from it kahit konti. And if you understand or kung natuwa kayo sa video na to, kindly share so that more people will learn. Thank you.